Alrighty, you guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the OnStage triple guitar stand. This is the GS7321BT. Yes, they have very long names for these, but yeah, as you can see, it's the OnStage stand. This is, yeah, just basically your typical at-home guitar stand. Or, you know, you could obviously use this in the studio. You could use it on the stage, you know, wherever. The great thing that I love about these stands, all the on-stage stands actually, is that they're just great for saving space. You're able to store easily 3 guitars or basses. Obviously the guitar does not come with this, so I just put that on there so you guys can get kind of a reference. You can easily store 3 guitars on here. The height of this thing adjusts from about 17 inches to 32 inches, so you know you can really get a variety of different sizes on here. And the one thing, you know, you'll have to notice that most of them will have to be in similar size. You're not going to get a mini guitar on here or anything like that. It's nice. It's versatile for what it is I guess what I'm trying to say. Yeah, going back to kind of the portability of it and why I got this in the first place. The cool thing is that you can easily rearrange things if you need more storage. So like the upper yokes, for example, I mean, these ones, like, you can turn them basically if you loosen this up, and I'm gonna try and be very careful with this. You can turn them if you're like putting them in a corner or something like that. You know, that's really nice to be able to do that. The bottom ones right here, you can actually take those off. So as you can see, I've actually completely removed the third one because my other guitar is hung up on my wall. So I figured I'd just have these 2 right here, which is nice because I don't really need that one. I can remove it. I could also easily, you know, flip it back and have it using like that to create even more space because I've taken that one off. So that's really cool as well. It's just like for what you're getting, or for how simple the stand is, it's pretty versatile. The actual design of this thing, so the lower yokes are really easy to take off and also put back in. As you can see, they're just built with this little like edge, or this little ridge right here. I guess I'm not sure exactly what you call it, but you can, yeah, you know, stick it nicely in there and it's good. You're good to go. There's no other locking or screwing or anything. It's very quick, very easy, and very self-explanatory. And you can arrange these too. So like this, you know, I could put this one on the lower one, the higher one, whatever. So that's cool. And they're very stable. The design is very practical. Comes with this nice like little rubber, it's like soft foam rubber grips on here, and then it's curved and shaped up, so even you can see with like an acoustic guitar, which is fairly wide, it still reaches out along the bottom and sticks out to give the guitar full support, while also, you know, keeping it safe from any scratches or anything, because you have, you know, that design of the rubber and foam on it, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about like scuffing up your guitar. You have the same thing right here on the top, same rubber foam. You don't have to worry about scuffing anything up, which is really nice. The 3 tripod legs on the bottom are very stable, which is another thing I love about this stand. You don't have to worry about it falling over like some guitar stands, which is, you know, it's great. You don't want something that's gonna, you know, tip over when a gust blows. And then you also have, so you can see these little rubber caps on the bottom. These are great because we have wood floors, and so it's not going to be scraping across the wood floors and causing any sort of damage. You know, it's not going to, or even slip around. Lastly, you have, what I really like about this is how easy it is to just take your guitars in and out. So you have these kind of like flip spring designs on each of the yokes up here. So you can, you know, just basically flip those back, take your guitar out, let it go, and it springs back up and into place. I mean, it's just like it was before. So yeah, I mean, overall, it's a very simple but, you know, effective little guitar stand. I would highly recommend it to anyone who has, you know, multiple guitars that they want to store in a smaller space. Again, it's the OnStage GS7321BT triple guitar stand, and yeah, some high quality, heavy duty stuff. So check it out. All right, take it easy, you guys.